I'm Susan Scarbrough, and I live in Greenwood, Arkansas. I didn't dream I could walk again. I didn't dream it was going to be like this. 3 years ago is when my original hip was replaced, and it was replaced in Arkansas, and that's where I lived. I had a lot of pain, and it wasn't getting any better. And I knew something was wrong, but I didn't know what it was. I thought I was heading for a wheelchair. My son lives in this area, and so I was visiting them one weekend, and my daughter-in-law gets on the internet and finds Dr. Hopkins.
Good morning. When I first saw Susan, she had severe disabling hip pain. She was having trouble even walking 5 feet at a time. And she had actually had a hip replacement already. Her hip replacement, the cup portion of the hip replacement, the top portion, had been placed incorrectly. And it was creating conflict with the hip joint that was actually resulting in her repetitively dislocating her hip. What Susan needed was a revision hip surgery.
When I saw Dr. Hopkins, oh my, he gave me hope. He said he could fix this.
I removed the existing cup that wasn't positioned correctly and placed a new cup in proper alignment. It allowed the hip joint to move without conflict and without pain.
I'm gonna cry here. I describe him, he's my miracle worker, that's all I can say. I can't describe him any better than that.
Raise your knee to touch my hand. Whether patients live near or far and out of state, we here at Medical City Frisco provide expert care in joint replacement, whether patients need a revision surgery or a first-time hip or knee replacement.
Well, I have freedom to do anything that I couldn't do before. I got my life back.